Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you AI AutoBots Pro review. So what actually is AI AutoBots Pro? Guys, AI AutoBots Pro is the first to market intelligent Autobots that masters your business in 60 seconds to boost sales, grow leads, and increase engagement through uber smart conversations with your prospects and customers. Creator of this software, AI AutoBots Pro, Karthik Ramani, and this software goes live on 29th of August, 11 a.m. EST. Right now, I am in the sales phase of this software, AI AutoBots Pro. Guys, I'm going to show you step by step all the information. I'm going to show you pricing and OTOs. I'm going to show you guys demo. So please stay tuned. Please don't skip this video before watching demo. And Karthik Ramani launched lots of software successfully on JVZoo marketplace. So this is also another one that's called is AI AutoBots Pro. Guys, I'm going to show you everything. So I'm just going to jump on my blog, healthywealthy24.com. This is my blog. I wrote a full review about this software AI AutoBots here on my blog. Here is a lots of information I put, like what is AI AutoBots Pro all about. You already know what actually is AI AutoBots Pro. And AI AutoBots Pro software works 3 simple steps. AI AutoBots Pro quick overview here. And the price $37. Also, this software have OTOs. I'm going to show you also all of the OTOs about this software AI AutoBots Pro. And AI AutoBots Pro will give you 30 days money back guarantee. This is the demo, and that you will be fully understand afterwards this demo, guys. And AI AutoBots Pro, all the features here. What AI AutoBots Pro can do for you, AI AutoBots Pro pricing and OTOs. Here is, you can see the 6 OTOs of this software. I'm going to show you full details step by step, guys, so stay tuned. And AI AutoBots Pro frequent last questions. Okay, AI AutoBots Pro bonus package. This is the vendor bonus, and these are my exclusive $2,375 bonus. So when you click here, you can see all of my bonuses here. This is my bonus value and all of my software and marketing materials that will help you to boost you make money online. And that's it. This is the quick overview, guys. Right now I'm going to show you quick demo about this software AI AutoBots Pro. This demo created by the software owner Karthik Ramani. He explained well, that's why I shared the demo. And if you want to read about the full review about this software AI AutoBots Pro, and also if you want to watch this demo that I'm going to show you exactly, okay, you can click the link and consider the link in my video description below. So guys, at first let's see the demo.
Hey, Karthik Ramani here. Welcome to the demo of AI AutoBots Pro. I'm thrilled to show you the inside of this must-have app that will help every business that uses a website or a page. Once you log into the dashboard, you can see the option to create a workspace. This is where you organize all your work. You can click on Create a new workspace, give it a name, and create it. You'll be able to see all the workspaces that you've created on your dashboard. You can edit the workspace or even delete the workspace if you do not want it. Go ahead and click on View Campaigns. You can create multiple AI Autobot campaigns inside a workspace. Let us click on View Campaigns and see what we have got. This is a new workspace and there are no campaigns. You can go ahead and create a new campaign. You need to give a campaign name, and then to train the AI, you need to provide a source. It can be a URL, content, or you can even add a text file. We also have a Q&A where you can give questions and answers. You can just use one of these sources or a combination. Let me just put in the URL of our sales page and also paste in some content. When you hit create, the AI gets to work and crawls through all the information you have provided. It familiarizes with the content and it just takes a few seconds. It then takes you to the next step where you can customize a lot of things. You can choose a template from our list of done for you templates and then customize it, or you can create your own from scratch. Let us customize our chat interface. Here, you can set a welcome message and a default message when the AI does not have an answer for a question. You can also set up pre-filled questions here just by adding a question here. You can add questions that are frequently asked here. So people can just click on those questions on the chat window and get their answers without having to type it out themselves. Let us add a couple of pre-filled questions here. What is AI AutoBots Pro? Difference between regular chatbots and AI Autobots. You can edit or delete it anytime you want and add more questions too. You can also set up a default placeholder text where your page visitor will type their question. Guess what? You can also auto-initiate chat after a certain time. I can say like if a visitor is on my page for 10 seconds, auto-initiate the chat. Next comes the chat customization settings. We give you all the possible options to customize this as per your requirement. You can give a name for your Autobot. It can be your business name or any name. Add your logo. Customize the header color and text, widget background color, AI bot message colors, user message color, pre-filled questions color, chat bubble color, font family, and so on. You can choose colors as per your branding or what works best on your website. Once you've done all the necessary changes, you can hit save. Once you get the app, we give you 1000 free credits. You can integrate your OpenAI key here just as a backup in case you exhaust these credits. Next, we'll move on to the lead magnets. You can control every aspect of the lead generation. Choose when you want your opt-in to show up, and you can also add an opt-in message and a title. You can collect name, email address, and phone number. You can even edit the labels and text in any language of your choice. You can also set up if the field is required or not. Finally, you also have the option to show a thank you message on sign up. Let us hit save. Next, we have the embed option. This gives you a script that you can add at the end of your page, and you will instantly have a widget on your page answering questions for you. I have added the widget that we just created to this page. Let us interact with this page and see. Here are the pre-filled questions, and when I click on it, it gives me the answers that I'm looking for. Let me also type in some questions and see. The AI has natural language processing capabilities, which makes it understand the question and give an appropriate answer. Let me ask about the benefits of this app, and boom! See the amazing response I've got. Let me ask another question here and see. Is this one-time payment? Look at this. I would be fooled if somebody told me it was given by a human agent. While the interactions look more human-like, AI is in full play. We also set up this lead generation thing, and it is popping up now. This is how you can grow your leads even when you're away. Let us now get back to the workspace and see the remaining options. You can edit the entire campaign. You can edit the source if you want to and give more information to the AI Autobot as and when needed. You can also preview the Autobot and interact with it even before adding it to a website. You can turn on or off a campaign at any time. You even get to integrate your autoresponder and add all the leads directly to your autoresponder. You can also find your leads in the Manage Customers section. You can always delete a campaign too. We have a Manage Clients section where you can create accounts and share the access with your clients by giving in their details and setting up their password. Finally, we have the analytics section where you can see all the detailed analytics of your campaigns. How cool is this app? In minutes, you can have a fully intelligent Autobot working for you and your business 24/7. Thank you so much for your time. We will see you on the inside.
Okay, my friend, I hope you fully understand afterwards this demo AI AutoBots Pro. Right now, I'm just going to jump on my blog, healthywealthy24.com. Then I'm going to show you quick pricing and OTOs about this software. AI AutoBots Pro pricing and OTOs, guys. The pricing, front-end pricing, $37. And upsell number one is $77. What you will get if you purchase this upsell, you can see everything, guys. Okay, you can read full information before purchase this software. Upsell number one. And if you purchase upsell number two, the pricing is $37, and here is the full information that you can see that you will get inside the members area. And here's the upsell number three, guys. Price $47. Price is very low. Believe me, this software is very high quality because Karthik Ramani has already launched lots of software on successfully on JBizu marketplace, and this software refund rate is 2% on percent. Okay, and also this another one, I think this will be boosting your sales. This software will help you, and how actually this software help you already fully understand. And upsell number four, you can see $147. This is the AI Bots Pro reseller license included. Upsell number five, $47. Upsell number six is $47. This is the all the pricing of this software AI AutoBots Pro, guys. Okay, and right now I'm going to show you guys AI AutoBots Pro bonus packages. This is the AI AutoBots Pro bonus package. These all bonuses will provided the vendor. Okay, the bonus number one, 3 weeks AI AutoBots Pro success training. They will provide a step-by-step full training inside the members area, guys, so you have no problem how to use this software. Bonus number two, the USP advantage. Bonus number three, artificial intelligence. Bonus number four, launch it. Bonus number fifth, solopreneur. Bonus number six, the sixth bonus is free resources to growth your social media value. And that's it, guys. They will provide 30 days money back guarantee, so this is 100% risk free. I'm just going to jump on the sales page, guys, and here is you can see lots of info. This is the testimonial. They're a real marketer and they actually say about this software AI AutoBots Pro and how actually AI AutoBots Pro will help you. You can see lots of information and category wise demo here on the sales page, guys. Okay, I'm going to show you right now this category wise demo, and this software has no competition right now. Here is you can see, for example, real estate business. For real estate business that would work for you like this, guys. You can see this demo, and here is you can see e-commerce business. This is the e-commerce business chatbot. How actually works e-commerce business chatbot? What type of business do you have? You can check out all the information before purchase this software. Okay, service providers. If you have service providers company, then you can use this AI Chatbots Pro, AI AutoBots Pro for your business. And here is digital products business. You can check out this AI Autobots for digital product business, travel and hospitality business, fitness studios, yoga studio, gyms, and course providers, and banking, financial situation, food blogs and travel blogs, HR departments, and digital agencies. Do you have digital agency? You can also use this software. And restaurant, cafe. And that's it, guys. This is all the features that you can see. And who is this software? Who can use AI AutoBots Pro? AI AutoBots Pro will use business owners, anyone having a website, e-commerce store, digital marketers, service providers, agencies, freelancers, course creators, digital stores, SaaS product, HR professionals, customer support, handyman service, SP, spa, salon, real estate agents, tutors, doctors, therapists, chiropractors, and travel companies, bloggers and restaurants and cafe. What type of business do you have, guys? And if you hire a freelancer to create your own AI bots, they will charge lots of money, guys. You can see. Okay, and this is the one-time payment AI AutoBots Pro, only $37. Also, this product have upsells, you can already see. Okay, and you can see lots of information, guys. I highly recommend before purchase this software you can check out all the info. And if you want to purchase commercial license, then this is the right time to purchase it. Here is the commercial license only 37, and also you will get Autobots off. Use coupon code $5 off. That means $32 the exact price. And this plan have no personal license, have no coupon code, and they will provide not bonus and very limited features, you can see. Okay, and here is you can see 30 days money back guarantee. That's it. This is the quick overview. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family who are actually facing this sad problem on their business. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon in my next video.